In this video, we are going to cover daisy chain signal connection and base of sign control, which is optional. It may not always be possible to run signal wire from the indoor COM JBox to multiple sign structures. In this case, the output of one sign structure can be daisy chained to the input of the next sign structure. An outdoor wired COM JBox kit is required for each sign structure to provide surge protection between them. An outdoor JBox also allows for temporary control by providing a place to plug in the FLD5 controller at the base of the sign structure. We are going to cover how to install the outdoor JBox and wire it for each of these options. First, locate the first price display of the sign structure. The first display is the one that does not have anything plugged into the port A signal jack on the back of the top left display module. You can refer to drawing 5516539. This is usually the top left display in a sign structure, but it does depend on how the signal cables have been routed. To access the inside of the first display, remove the top left module by inserting an 1/8 of an inch Allen wrench into the latch access hole toward the top center of the module and gently turning counterclockwise. Carefully tilt the module away from the faceplate. Mount the outdoor JBox within 50 feet of the first display's top left module using appropriate hardware, which is not provided by Daktronics, through the rear mounting flanges. Orient the JBox so one of the small drain holes is facing down. Make note that if the JBox is located where sprinklers will hit it, extra measures must be taken to ensure water cannot be sprayed in through the knockout openings. Next, route the signal wire from the indoor JBox into one of the 1/2 inch conduit knockouts on the outdoor JBox. If daisy chaining, connect to first sign structure's outdoor JBox. Then, connect the signal wire to TB3 on the outdoor COM card. Make note that the shield must be connected together with the ground wire as shown for proper operation. Once getting that completed, connect a 50-foot jumper cable provided by Daktronics between the port A signal jack on the top left module and the mating 4-pin jack on the COM card. If needed, a 3/4 inch knockout is provided on the JBox to fit the cable through a 3/4 inch conduit. For daisy chaining, these additional steps are required. Remove the last displays module from the first sign structure. Connect the 4-pin plug of another 50-foot jumper cable provided by Daktronics to the port B signal jack on the last display module. Cut off the 4-pin plug from the other end of the 50-foot jumper cable and terminate that to TB1 on the outdoor COM card. Make note that the shield must be connected together with the ground wire as shown for proper operation. Also notice that this is the only COM card termination that requires the red wire. Terminate signal wire to TB2 on the first sign structure's COM card. Then route the signal wire to the next sign structure's JBox using the other 1/2 inch knockout and terminate to the COM card TB3. Repeat steps to daisy chain signal between every sign structure in the system. Reinstall all modules, ensuring no cables are pinched between the module and the faceplate. If using this outdoor JBox for the temporary sign control, access the outdoor COM card, then disconnect the 4-pin plug and reconnect it to the mating 4-pin RS485 jack on the FLD5 controller. This cable provides power to the control as well as signal out to the sign structure. And that wraps up daisy chain signal connections and base of sign control option for the FL5000 series displays.